Imagine if every time you turned on a light, every other light in your house came on. Ridiculous, isn't it? But that's essentially how your heating and air conditioning system works without zoning, dumping an equal amount of the same temperature air into every room of your house. Now that's inefficient, sometimes uncomfortable, and certainly a waste of money. There is a better way. It's a zone control system from California Economizer, the zoning systems company. A zoning system allows you to give your customers a different temperature in every room of their home from one heating and cooling system. The System 2000, one of several zoning products available, increases comfort while reducing heating and cooling bills in light commercial and residential applications. It's a system that's easy to install, easy to operate, and best of all, easy for your customers to afford. The principle behind a zoning system is simple. Coordinate the flow of air to the areas in use, the areas that need it, and close off the areas that don't. Equip it with a system controller, and you have the basis of California Economizer's zoning systems. The system operates with any split system or package unit. California Economizer's zoning systems are also compatible with every manufacturer's line of residential and commercial equipment. The systems are made up of 5 basic components: a controller, thermostats, motorized zone dampers, a bypass damper, and leaving air temperature sensor, the LAT. The System 2000 controller is available in both auto changeover and manual configurations. The controller operates 1 heating and air conditioning unit and up to 20 thermostatically controlled zones. A room thermostat senses the temperature in each zone. These room stats can be mixed. They can be manual, programmable, or automatic. Round dampers from 6 to 18 inches and a full line of rectangular dampers control the flow of air. Low-pressure dampers operate as power close, spring open, and fail safe to the open position. Medium-pressure dampers are drive open and drive closed. The low-pressure models allow 5 to 7% flow of air at all times, and the medium-pressure dampers have adjustable minimum positions. Modulating systems are also available. All dampers incorporate an insulation panel between the damper and the control motor to avoid condensation. As dampers close, excessive pressure is generated in the system. 2 types of bypass dampers are available to relieve this back pressure. A barometric bypass is used for units up to 5 tons. Use a fully modulating electronic bypass with velocity or static pressure sensor for units larger than 5 tons. The leaving air temperature sensor, or LAT, in the bypass loop protects the unit from freeze-ups, low-pressure operation, compressor slugging, or provides heating and cooling capacity control. The LAT is factory set to operate at 50 degrees for cooling, 108 degrees for a heat pump, and 130 degrees for gas-electric units. It is also field adjustable. A 24-volt transformer is required for the LAT and 1 transformer for the system controller, which powers all the dampers in your system. Size this transformer based on 12 VA for each damper in the system. 5 low-pressure dampers would require a 60 VA transformer. The patented wiring process associated with California Economizer products allows 1 24-volt transformer to power the controller and every damper in the system. This system wiring reduces your installation costs by eliminating home-run wiring. It also eliminates individual transformers and running line voltage throughout the system. Here's how it works. As our example, we'll use a vote-based auto changeover controller that operates first call, first serve, majority wins on changeover. With all zones open and air circulating, Zone 3 calls for heat and Zones 1, 2, and 4 drive closed. After a 2.5-minute delay to prevent short cycling, the controller turns on the heat. Every 45 seconds, the controller polls the system to determine if other zones require heating or cooling. This polling continues until the temperature requirements for Zone 3 are satisfied, or until more zones demand a change. System 2000 compensates for peak solar conditions throughout the day. As the sun moves on to Zone 1, it now calls for cooler temperature. However, Zone 3 was first to call, so it remains in the heating mode. With the sun now on both Zones 1 and 4, the controller senses a majority of the system wants cooling. It programs this information, but waits another 5 minutes before taking action, allowing time to satisfy Zone 3. It then shuts down the heating system for 2.5 minutes. Areas calling for cooling, zones 1 and 4, open. Zones requiring heat or satisfied zones, drive closed. The controller energizes the compressor and brings the system online. Zones 2 and 3 drive closed, while cool air is delivered to zones 1 and 4. After zones 1 and 4 are cooled, the controller can again check zone 3. If it is not satisfied after a built-in time delay, the system can once again change over to the heating mode for zone 3, closing off zones 1, 2, and 4. It's that easy. California Economizer also offers two smaller systems, the Track 2, which is a two-zone residential control system for single-story ranch or split-level homes, and Track 4 for larger custom-built homes requiring expanded comfort control. One of the major benefits of the California Economizer system is that we eliminate the need for duplication of heating and cooling units, allowing for the economical use of one larger system. This benefit can provide the knowledgeable contractor with the opportunity of being low bidder and winning many projects. Your competition is used to bidding 2 units. With zoning, you don't duplicate the furnace and AC unit. We eliminate the extra gas lines, power hookups, disconnects, and conduit lines while reducing maintenance costs associated with the second unit. The California Economizer zoning system represents the biggest change in zoning in 20 years, providing ease of operation, reliable components, and the unfair advantage over comparable products of being affordably priced. California Economizer provides a complete line of zoning products, from our two-zone residential system to a direct digital control system that can handle up to 198 air conditioner units. A full line of zoning systems whose installation is as easy as operation. Call your local distributor or 800-228-2966 for the California Economizer distributor nearest you. Easy installation, easy operation, easy on your wallet. Zoning systems from California Economizer, the zoning systems company.